Welcome to Mysterious Theater, the show that brings you mystery stories with lots of clues and surprise endings. Today we will see another episode from The Adventures of Sherlock Hemlock, the world's greatest detective. As our story begins, Sherlock Hemlock and his companion Watson have gone to the home of Lord and Lady Knockney to solve the mystery of the missing cat. Let's join them now.
Hemlock and Watson.
I say, Watson, look here. It's a note. I believe that this note is a clue to help us find the missing cat. The cat is under the hat. See here, Watson. Part of this note is torn off. What do you make of that? Precisely, Watson. As you can see, at rhymes with cat. I believe we will find the missing cat under something that rhymes with at. Now, what is there in this room that rhymes with at? Right you are, Watson. It's perfectly obvious. Hat rhymes with hat. The cat is under your hat, Lady Agatha.
I beg your pardon?
Watson, get the hat.
Oh! What are you doing to my hat? I beautiful hat! Oh, dear! Oh, you wretched thief!
Just as I thought, the cat is not under the hat, which means that the cat must be under something else. Now, what else rhymes with at? Of course, Watson, it's elementary. That rhymes with at, and I submit, Sir Rodney, that the missing cat is under your cricket bat.
They're preposterous. There's nothing under my cricket bat.
Watson, the bat.
I say, scoundrel, you've broken my bat. How am I supposed to play cricket without my bat? Unhand me.
I suspected as much. The cat is not under the bat, which leaves only one more thing in this room that rhymes with at, and that is the mat.
Oh, no, sir. Don't look under the mat.
Why don't you want me to look under the mat, Woodhouse? Is it because you know the cat is under the mat?
Yes, sir. It's true. The cat is under the mat.
Get the mat, Watson.
I say, Woodhouse, what is the cat doing under the mat?
Hiding from the dog, sir.
And there you have it. Sherlock Hemlock has solved the mystery of the missing cat. No wonder they call me the world's greatest detective.
But you ruined my house.
And you broke my back.
And now your dog is chasing our cat.
No, don't bother to thank me. It was nothing. All in a day's work. Come along, Watson. Watson. I say, Watson. Come along, old chap.
And so ends the mystery of the missing cat. Tune in next time when Mysterious Theater brings you the adventure of Sherlock Hemlock and the giant gnat of Sumatra. Until then, I'm your host, Vincent Price, saying farewell from Mysterious Theater.